This shit is scary as fuck. My GPS says I'm doing 0. Still can't see nothing. I can't see the street. I can't see shit. All I can see is those flashing red lights in front of me. And I'm just trying to stay right behind him to get me the fuck out of this bullshit. Damn, I can't wait to get up out of here. I'm not getting no miles. It's 15 fucking degrees. I'm not even doing 10 miles an hour. Looks like sometimes the GPS is catching me at like 6 and 8 miles per hour. 7 miles per hour. This shit is insanity. There's nobody behind me. And there's nobody in front of us. I just need to get the fuck out of this blizzard. This is dangerous as shit.